Hey guys, coming at you from the shop here to tell you about this new TC pump mount that we've got out for the LS engine. So this new pump mount is designed around an LS engine with truck crank spacing. What's cool about this little mount is we're running off the back grooves in the pulley on the crank that was driving your air compressor for the air conditioning. So most of the off-road guys were taking that air conditioner, throwing it away. But if you can fit a little TC pump right here in this area, it runs rear steering really good. Some guys will be running front steering off TC pumps. A lot of different variations of reasons to run a TC pump down low. I know that it gets really hard mounting pumps and pulleys and everything else, and in addition, we're running a lot of blowers and stuff now. The more stuff you can kind of get to stand alone, the better you are. So no matter what's happening in front with different mounts or whatever else, this TC pump kind of sneaks off back here on its own, driving off that back pulley. It adjusts just like kind of like an old V-belt system does. You loosen up some belts, get it tight with a pry bar, tighten your bolts up. It's really easy to mount, it's really clean, and it's just a one belt system. We've mounted the TC pump to where it's got good feed out of the reservoir and tight as we could into the block to where we can get 4-link bars and everything else beside them and not have a lot of trouble. So they're up on the website, check them out, wideopendesign.com. If you like videos like this, hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we appreciate it.